how to buy Shiba Wing token. Now this token came under the symbol of wing. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. After that, open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, now click here on swap. And now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, as you can see, and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues, as you know, it's came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Wing token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.